My soul is in deep anguish. How long, Lord, how long? Psalm 6. Olimba, Olimba, Olimba Yesu Akola.
Yesu Akola.
Yesu Akola. Olimba Yesu Akola. Yesu Akola.
Yesu Akola.
Prayed every morning, nothing moved. Called his name, but nothing proved. Watched the world pass by my window while I stood still in the shadow. Days turned heavy, nights turned long. Wondered if I had it wrong. Held the faith with trembling hands, trying hard to understand.
Oh, yes, yes.
But before I let go of everything, before I close my eyes and stop believing, let me look back at what he's already done. Let me count the battles he already won.
Olimba Yesu Akola.
You're lying.
Jesus works.
He works, he works.
Yesu Akola.
You're lying.
Jesus works.
He worked then and he works right now. Don't let the waiting make you forget how.
Olimba Yesu Akola.
You're lying.
Jesus works.
David was the boy they overlooked, smallest in the family off the books. Samuel walked past every tall and strong, but God said, the one you skip belongs.
He belongs, he belongs.
One stone, one faith, one giant on the ground. The shepherd boy just turned the whole thing around. So before you say his name don't work for you, check what he did with what David had, just two. The Lord who rescued me from the paw of the lion will rescue me from the hand of this Philistine. Olimba,
Yesu Akola.
you're lying.
Jesus works.
He works, he works.
Yesu Akola.
You're lying.
Jesus works.
He worked then and he works right now. Don't let the waiting make you forget how.
Olimba Yesu Akola.
You're lying.
Jesus works.
Akola, 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 Akola. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today and forever. Samson sat in chains without his sight, had nothing left but one prayer in the night. Broken, humbled, back against the wall, he called on God and God answered his call.
He answered.
He answered.
He always answers.
Moses said, Lord, I can't even speak. Spent 40 years feeling incomplete, but a burning bush rewrote his entire story, and a parted sea became God's greatest glory. By faith Moses persevered because he saw him who is invisible. After David, after Samson, after Moses stood, you still wanna say he doesn't work, you could. But the evidence has been piling up for centuries, and every testimony says the same thing to me.
Stop measuring his power
By your timeline and your pace, God has never once been rushed by time or space. The wait was never punishment, it was setting up your place. I get it. Some of you have been waiting so long, the silence started feeling like an answer. Like maybe he just wasn't listening. Like maybe you weren't worth the miracle. Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. But can I tell you something?
Every eagle was once just sitting,
waiting for the wind.
and when the wind came,
Nothing could hold it down. Your wind is coming.
don't fall.